Welcome to Goody Health. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss our health tips. Today we're uncovering 10 incredible health benefits of apple cider vinegar that you probably haven't heard about yet. Let's dive in. Apple cider vinegar, or ACV, is made from fermented apple juice. It's known for its sour taste and potent smell, but did you know it's also packed with health benefits? From ancient folk remedies to modern health circles, ACV has been used for centuries. But today we're exploring some less-known wonders. First up, blood sugar control. ACV can help improve insulin sensitivity during a high-carb meal by as much as 34% and significantly lower blood sugar. However, if you're on diabetes medication, please consult with your doctor first. ACV promotes weight management by making you feel fuller, reducing calorie intake, and supporting weight loss. It also boosts heart health by improving cholesterol levels, lowering LDL, and raising HDL. Next, skin health. ACV kills harmful bacteria, potentially improving your skin's texture and fighting acne with a diluted face wash. Soothing sore throats is another benefit. The antibacterial properties of ACV can alleviate discomfort. Boosting gut health, ACV supports beneficial bacteria, crucial for good digestion. Dealing with acid reflux, its acidic nature might help increase stomach acid, easing heartburn. ACV also acts as a natural hair conditioner, enhancing shine and volume after shampooing. Feeling tired? Its potassium and enzymes may combat fatigue. Add it to your water during workouts. Lastly, combat bad breath by gargling with ACV to keep your breath fresh. That's our roundup of apple cider vinegar's benefits. Remember, moderation is key, and consider consulting a healthcare provider before starting new regimens. Like the video, hit like, share, and comment any questions or feedback. See you next time.